Dear students, welcome to Department of Chemistry. Hereby I am explaining you about the open course offered by our department. This course is Environmental Chemistry. It is designed for 36 credits. That means 2-hour classes will be conducted in a week. There are 5 modules in this course. Module 1 is Environment. In this module, common terms and concepts used in environmental chemistry are explained. Module 2 is Air Pollution. Through this module, you will be familiarized with the regions of atmosphere, major pollutants in air, and the impacts of air pollution. You can realize the causes of acid rain, greenhouse effects, depletion of ozone layer, etc. on studying these topics. Some tragedies regarding air pollution and airborne diseases also have been included in this module. Module 3 is Water Pollution. In this module, first hydrological cycle is explained. Major pollutants present in water and water quality parameters that WHO and Indian standards also have been described. A case study of Minamata diseases and waterborne diseases also have been included. Module 4 is Soil, Noise, Thermal and Radioactive Pollutions. Soil is mainly due to solid wastes which were classified into municipal, industrial, biomedical and e-wastes. All these terms are explained in this module. Radioactive pollution in Hiroshima, Nagasaki and Chernobyl accidents and pesticide pollution in Kerala due to endosulfan have been included as case studies. Module 5 is Pollution Control Measures. It is the most important topic regarding an environment. In this module, you are familiarized with the air pollution control measures, water treatment method, and solid waste management. Green chemistry principles and duties of Pollution Control Board also have been included. Dear students, I am sure this course is very relevant in this era and it will be beneficial to you in your daily life. It will change your concepts and will force you to consider and protect our environment for our offsprings. One more thing that I wish to say is that physics, zoology and botany students may feel this course very easy and can secure good marks as they have been already studied this topic in their chemistry complementary course in semester 4. One more thing that the marks secured in this open course is considered as marks in core course, so it will reflect in future at the time of your admission to PG courses. So be conscious on selecting your open course and all are welcome to our open course. Thank you.